Earn $20+ every 5 minutes watching videos. Making money by watching videos is a lot simpler than you would imagine. It's also a simple way to supplement your income, considering that you will almost certainly be spending a lot of your free time online watching movies, clips, and commercials anyway. It is an excellent way to supplement other sources of revenue, such as running a YouTube channel. Furthermore, all of your video-related work experience can assist you in obtaining employment in the film, television, or digital media industries. Today, we will tell you about how to earn $20+ every 5 minutes watching videos. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. You have likely heard that taking online surveys will earn you money. You may also be compensated for using search engines and tagging photographs. However, you're still wondering why these opportunities exist in the first place. Real customers are required to provide truthful input on surveys by major corporations. Market research is performed on the responses in order to develop goods and services. Certain types of small tasks adopt the same logic. To type in realistic terms into search engines and accurately tag images, real humans are needed. This knowledge is used by companies to develop their apps, websites, and other goods. Almost anyone can earn money by doing simple tasks on their phone or laptop. Are you short on both time and money? Survey platforms and other legitimate side hustles such as Survey Junkie provide a fantastic way to earn money from home. Without a question, not all survey sites are created equal, and although each one has its own set of benefits, Survey Junkie is one of the simplest and most effective ways to earn money from home. If you are looking to supplement your income or start working from home, Survey Junkie is a perfect way to make money by completing simple and enjoyable surveys. One of the highest paying survey sites available is Survey Junkie. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $18 per hour. The easiest way to maximize your earnings is to only take higher paying surveys. If you notice that you are just getting low paying surveys, log in the next day to see if there is a better opportunity. There are various surveys available. Survey Junkie pays in the form of Amazon or Target gift cards, as well as PayPal. It could take up to 10 days for you to collect your payments. Let us clear the air before we get into the details of Survey Junkie. There are a lot of concerns about the validity of every survey panel. This one is no exception. Is Survey Junkie a scam? This is one of the most frequently asked questions about the website. Don't be nervous about getting your personal details compromised or wasting your time on a platform that will not reimburse you. Survey Junkie is a legal way to make money. It's easy to get started with Survey Junkie. To get started, simply build a profile, which will take just a few minutes, and then answer a few questions about yourself and your family. These questions can be used by Survey Junkie to assess which surveys you are eligible for. They will start sending you surveys after you have built this profile. They will do this in one of two ways. You can sign into your account and see the surveys, or you can click a connection that they will email to you. You can receive points after completing a survey. That's all there is to it. Each survey has a different payoff. Obviously, the longer the survey is, the more you will be compensated for taking it. The average survey will cost between $1 and $3. It's not much, but it's comparable to what you'll find on other polling sites. The amount of money you make with Survey Junkie will be determined by a variety of variables. The most important factor is how many surveys you are asked to participate in. Every consumer is unique, and they will all be eligible for different surveys. One of the most common criticism of Survey Junkie is that there are not enough surveys available. This is a very popular complaint with survey sites, and almost every one of them will have the same problem. You could get 2 or 3 surveys a week if you are lucky, but that's not normal. You will probably get a survey a week. If each survey pays $3 and you complete one per week, you will be able to save $12 per month. It may not seem like much, but these surveys will only take a few minutes of your time. It's simply money. Apart from this, doing other tasks, you can reach $20+ per month easily. Another distinction between survey sites is how they pay out their participants. Some websites pay people money for completing surveys. Other pages, such as Survey Junkie, award points. You will receive a certain number of points for each survey you complete. These points will range from 20 to 200 with Survey Junkie. One of the benefits of Survey Junkie is the pace at which you will receive your points. You can see your points in your account as soon as you finish the survey. You may have to wait up to 24 hours or longer for points on some of the other competitive sites. Survey Junkie is the best place to go if you want to get your points as soon as possible. If you wait longer than 24 hours, simply contact their customer service, who are incredibly supportive and should be able to assess the issue within hours. You can exchange these points for gift cards or have them converted into cash that you can pass using your PayPal account. To cash out your points, you must have a minimum of 1,000 points, which equals about $10. It's important to remember that your points will not expire as long as you keep your account active. If you take a survey once every 12 months, your points will accumulate until you have enough to cash out. Points on certain survey pages expire after a certain amount of time, causing users annoyance. This isn't something that Survey Junkie does. They will keep your points if you complete at least one survey every year. One of the advantages of Survey Junkie is how easy it is to use. The design of their website is clean and simple when you visit it. Even if you have never used a survey platform before or are not very tech savvy, you can build a profile and then get started in a matter of minutes. Another benefit is that you can cash out your points using PayPal. This is the fastest and most straightforward method of turning your points into cash. Some survey panel sites offer only gift cards or a physical check as payment options. PayPal is a convenient way to access your funds. Unlike some other survey pages, Survey Junkie has a low minimum payout rate. You only need to earn $10 in points. It should take no longer than 2 months. This can be completed in a month or less for certain customers. Other panels demand that you have at least $20 to gain access to their funds. It's your money, and you shouldn't have to wait months to receive it. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section which website works best for you and how do you earn money online. See you soon with yet another amazing video.